Want captions that grab attention like Mr. Beast? Let me show you how to create them in just a few easy steps. Step 1. First, sign up for a free account on ClipMagick. It's the tool we'll use to make these captions. Step 2. Open ClipMagick and import the video you want to add captions to. For this demo, I'm using a Mr. Beast video without any captions. Step 3. Choose the language of your video. I'll select English and click Next. ClipMagick will automatically transcribe the audio and create subtitles. Once it's done, click Play to preview the captions.
I'm about to show you what a $500,000 experience looks like. I promise this is going to blow your mind. In this video, you will find out why it cost $250,000.
ClipMagick offers various caption presets that can quickly change the look of your captions. However, to create captions like Mr. Beast's, we'll tweak the settings ourselves to achieve the perfect style. Step 4. To replicate Mr. Beast's caption style, you'll need the right font. I found one that closely matches what he uses. The download link is in the description. Step 5. If you analyze Mr. Beast's videos, you'll notice that sometimes a single word appears as a caption, sometimes 2 words, and other times there's no caption at all. To do that, go to the Captions section in ClipMagick and set words per caption to 1. You can hit play and you'll see only 1 word appearing at a time. If you want 2 words to appear together, select a caption, copy the second word, paste it into the same caption, and delete the other caption. Now adjust the timing, and it's done. For moments when no caption should appear, simply delete the unwanted caption. By following these steps, you can precisely match the dynamic flow of Mr. Beast's captions. Step 6. Now let's match the style and look of the captions to Mr. Beast's. First, go to the Design tab and click on Settings. Here you can adjust every aspect of your captions. Start by importing the font you downloaded earlier and give it a name. Next, set both the text color and highlight color to white. Then, position the text in the center of the screen. After that, modify the text border to match Mr. Beast's style. I already have a black border, so I won't make any changes here. Continue tweaking these settings until your captions perfectly resemble those in Mr. Beast's videos. To make your video vertical for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, head to the Video Style menu and switch the format from horizontal to vertical. ClipMagick also offers a variety of pre-built templates you can use to instantly transform the look of your video. Step 7. Let's render the video by clicking on Publish. As a free ClipMagick user, you can create and export up to 10 videos each month without any watermark. If you want unlimited usage, consider upgrading to the Pro version, currently priced at just $12. Plus, if you use the coupon code ROHIT15, you'll receive an additional 15% discount for life. I hope you found this video helpful, and this is our final result.
I'm about to show you what a $500,000 experience looks like. I promise this is going to blow your mind. In this video, you will find out why it cost $250,000 to simulate going to space. Why it cost $50,000 to explore the depths of our oceans.
Whoa! It's coming right at us.
And every other experience we tried along the way.
I am standing on top of the tallest building in the world!